Guys, this is week 14, lesson 10. Today we're going to start working on writing our numbers. So we've been working on writing our letters and now we finally made it to our numbers. So we're going to start with the number 1. 1 is our easiest number. All it is a straight up and down line. So when we trace one, we're going to practice here, okay? So we need a marker and we need a pinch at the bottom. We start at the top and go straight down. And that's it. So let's practice right here. So start at the top and trace straight down. Try to stay on the lines. And when we are done tracing, let's try practice writing a couple just on the lines. So sometimes you might just need to add the dots for them too. But we'll start at the top and go straight down. Start at the top and straight down. Let's try tracing again. Start at the top and down. Top and down. Top and down. Start at the top and go down. Top and down. Then here, we need to color in one square. So one square looks just like this. And we stop. So that's 1. We can trace our letters too. For the O, you start at the top and you go all the way around. For the N, you go little line down, stop, jump back up, and go around and down. For the E, this is a really tricky one. You start in the middle of this letter, you go over, up, and around. All right, in this box, we need to find all the number 1s. So my first one I see is right here. Let's circle it. Ooh, that's not 1. Oh, here's another number 1. And here. Go around. Oh, here's another. I think there's a few more. And the last couple. Wow, that's a lot of number 1s. And then down here, we're going to color one apple. Just one of them. Remember, we stop. Just one. One apple. And that's our number 1. Good job, you guys. So now, we're going to make some popsicles. We need our popsicle outline, our colored strips of paper, and a popsicle stick. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're going to snip, snip, snip and cut all these colors into different little pieces. They can be different sizes, different shapes, and you can cut as many as you want. And then, after you get them cut out, we're going to use what? Glue. We're going to use some glue to stick it on our popsicle. So, you can either draw some dots on here for them to put it on, or you can just let them practice and glue. I'll put some on me. Remember, we don't need a lot of glue with this. Just a little bit goes a long ways. And then you can take your paper and stick it on. You can also work on asking what color it is or telling them to find a color. This is good practice using their device or their words. So I'm going to put on a bunch of different colors. All right, let's talk about the colors that I used. What color is this? This is yellow. I used some yellow on mine. I also used what color? Orange. I used some orange. And what color is this? This is pink. And what color? Blue. And there's a couple more. This one is green. And this one is, it's hard to see because it matches my background. This is purple. All right, once you get all your pieces glued on, turn it over, and then we need to take our popsicle stick and put some glue on it and stick it to the back of our paper. You might want to let it dry before you pick it up. But when you're all done, it'll look like a big popsicle stick. Good job, you guys.